Welcome to a new video from the DARKSPINE tutorial series. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up a poly joint. A poly joint consists of creating a poly for each object and then joining them together and creating a complex system of physics using other types of joints. This will help us to create puzzles in our game. You must excuse me because I only have a few graphics assets that are not suitable for these experiments, but I hope to convey the concepts of physics. We will need two objects with physical properties, and we will configure one of the objects to create a joint with the second object. In this case, we select a poly joint in the physical properties of our object. As in the previous tutorial, we press on the virtual key Set Joints to begin to position in which strings we want the joints. After selecting what our second instance will be, we will only have to click 2 times to complete the process and have something functional. The first click would mark the point of the object in charge of creating the joint, while the second will create the poly of the instance chosen to join them. Assigning a ratio of 1, we will make its forces equivalent to its density and mass. As you can see, if we assign a collision as a chain, these objects lack mass by acting as joints. The physics are not represented correctly, but we can benefit from this option if we want it for specific cases. In physical properties, if we assign the collision of our object as a polygon, it will act as an object with mass. Now we can configure all the physical parameters to achieve the result we want. As you can see, the grounds are compatible with the joints. Although pixel art contains very few pixels, we can use the deformation of land in conjunction with the joints. In a small polygon, it is very easy to add triangles by configuring our polygon as smooth. The balance follows the right side. This is because we have modified our polygon and it contains more mass. Then we will see how we can solve this if we intend to have something balanced. In the Set Joint panel, we can configure the position of our joints. The points corresponding to our objects are relative to the transformation of these. This means that if we move or rotate our object, DARKSPINE recalculates their position. As mentioned before, if we want to balance two forms of different appearance, we will have to modify the scale of the vertices until we find the exact point. This is all for now. In the next video we will see the distance and rope joints. Thanks for watching and see you soon!